you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done.
Press, dead ahead!
बहुत तेज हो रहा है, बहुत तेज हो रहा है।
Seth's been trying to take control for years, Ethan.
They knew our whole fleet was here.
There's movement inside.
Race, tie that door. I'll clear it behind you.
Shut it up. See what? Too many men. Don't underestimate them. Send me your head.
Let's get out there.
Sir, take this! What is it? Hacking module. They hijack a bot's view. Go for it, Lieutenant. Hack it! Okay, I'm in. Now control the bot to attack.
Good work, Lieutenant.
That's good tech.
Keep it, sir.
All stations, Marines are pinned down. Gold teams cannot advance. We need immediate suppression. Eclipse, this is Top Cat. How copy? Rise, Admiral. Send traffic. I need your airship drawing fire at the tower for ground force cover. Clear, sir. Inbound hot.
Let's cut through here. Zeta forces! Blue! Blue!
Somebody, hold your fire! Lieutenant Reyes, get your jackals in the air for fire support.
Roger that, sir. Retribution, this is 1-1.
Go for it, 1-1.
Gator, I need Scar 3 airborne for interdiction. Call for fire to follow.
Copy, Lieutenant. Time to target 1 mic.
Top Cat to go. Air is inbound for suppression. Once they engage, we're taking this hill. Roger, Top Cat. Gold to replace. Eclipse, go weapons free.
Let's get to the tower! Go, go, go! Enemy truck! fire. Target is marked.
Roger. Target acquired. Inbound. Shut down.
Respect on target, 3-1.
Copy. Shaking bandits. Bug it out.
Force up! Towers at the top of the hill! Gold 2-4, I need you on the left flank. 2-6, take the right. Gold team, report! Okay, let's take it!
3-1 on station. Available for tasking. It's 3-1. Waiting for your mark.
Request for fire. Target is marked.
Roger. Target acquired. Inbound lock. Shots out. Shots out. Get out. Station. Available for tasking. 3-1. Your mark.
3-1, target marked.
Roger. Inbound for gun run. Guns, guns, guns.
Respect on target, 3-1.
Copy. Disengaging. On station, available for tasking. It's 3-1. Your mark. 3-1 in position for gun run.
Request for fire. Target is marked.
Roger. Target acquired. Inbound lock. Shots out. Shots out.
Hits, 3-1.
Copy. Shaking bandits. Bug it out.
Multiple SDF barricades inside. Roger. Set up a perimeter. Scars are moving interior.
Ethan, patch into Ada security. I want eyes in that room.
Yes, sir. Scanning to your HUDs now.
10 ships remain. The UNSA fleet is finished. Moving to Ada's system destruct now. Mars Eterno.
We gotta go now! Ethan! Go! Sir, the terminal! Jackpot, all stations. I say again, jackpot!
Relieve the bot. Take the prisoner into custody. Petty officers, get that ATIS back up. We still got enemy ships in our airspace.
Right away, Admiral.
Sato forces are trenched in outside, setting up a fob.
Good. Let's get a look at this son of a bitch.
You'll need medical.
I need nothing.
He's got an employee ID. That's him.
Michael Aaron Page, Mechanical Engineering Department, 2 years.
SDF sleeper cell.
That's not my name. That is the moniker of an earthland fool.
What is your name?
Commander Akil Minraya of the Settlement Defense Front.
The operation on Europa.
You started a war.
And I will finish that war.
Aegis guns are moments away from acquiring enemy targets, Admiral.
Fast work, Ethan. Well done.
You prolonged the inevitable.
Get him out of here.
Ars Eternum.
Stand fast, Marines. Give me 5 minutes with this bastard.
Salt.
So many innocent people, Reyes.
Let's get out there and fight for him.
Roger.
Where it goes, sir?
Let's move.
Yeah.